I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fits. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gift, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. I want something just like this. I want something just like eclipse, and Superman unrolls the suit before he lifts. But I'm not the kind of person that it fits. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. I want something just like this. I want something just like this. Never knowing who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on our stage singing, stuck up on our stage singing. All I know is sad song, and darling, all I know is sad song. Can't keep it going, no. Cause as soon as the sun comes up, I cut them all loose and work's my excuse. But the truth is I cannot. You don't wanna be high like me, never really knowing why like me. You don't ever wanna step off that roller coaster, be all alone. You don't wanna ride the bus like this, never knowing who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that stage singing, stuck up on that stage singing. All I know is sad song.